is just exploded. We looked at this earlier this morning and kind of established some possible levels. It's gapping up on some positive COVID um, test news, and it's on the daily. If we kind of go back and look, it's kind of been at a more of a consolidation period, really all below 6.8. And so we've had some consolidation in the 540, then seen some at 650, 680, and then possibly up at 750-ish. So we kind of line those out, but we just saw some massive volume come in around, an hour into trading and just make this thing explode. We see that this, broke through that 750 and just has absolutely just, moved tremendously to almost, $15, high of 14.57. It's kind of consolidating now, closer to that $12 range. And I mean, still way over VWAP, tons of strength. The volume is fading out a little bit, but I mean, we're still, having almost nearly a million shares a minute. I think if this thing can kind of hold VWAP, we might see a bigger move in the after hours. There's probably going to be a good amount of shorts. I would say roughly at that 14 $14 range. We kind of had a sideways consolidation between that and 12, and it broke down just a little bit, but it's reclaimed that 12. I think if it holds this 12, or really even if it holds this VWAP, but then makes a retest of 14 later in the day, or even after hours, you could see another huge spike, just because this is a lower float. You can see that it already made just a huge move from this morning, up. What right now it's up 186%. So I mean, it is kind of overextended, but it's got all of the market's attention right now. So really anything's possible. I mean, this thing could still pop up more. I mean, it could just be that there's a lot of, or there was rather, a lot of shorts in from the past, few months. I mean, possibly at that $10 range, and we just exploded through that without any hesitation. So it'll just be interesting to watch this one the rest of the afternoon. Yeah, I mean, if it holds VWAP, holds 12, might see a move up. Otherwise, if it breaks VWAP, it might kind of break down and come back to perhaps one of these other support levels.